In this video, I'm going to show you how to export Amazon product reviews to Excel. As an example, we will be extracting smartphone reviews from Amazon to an Excel spreadsheet that will look like this. Click the like button to support the channel, and if you're into web automation and data extraction, subscribe for more bot tutorials. Let's start. To export Amazon reviews to Excel, we'll use the Amazon Review Extractor. Find the bot link in the video description. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster. Create a free Botster account and log in. Open the Amazon Review Extractors page and click on the green button to start the bot. Name your job. Paste one or more ASIN codes. Specify how many Amazon reviews you need to scrape. For example, 100. Select the review language. Specify the Amazon domain. Select notification type, email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, Webhook, or Zapier. Launch the bot into action. Done. Click on CSV, Excel, or JSON to save the extracted Amazon reviews to your computer, or click on View Data to open the results online. We've exported Amazon smartphone reviews, rating value, publication dates, and more. View the full example file from this video on the bot page. Sign up on Botster, scrape product reviews using the Amazon Review Extractor, and get access to dozens of other powerful bots. If you found this video to be useful, click the like and subscribe buttons for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.